Hello, in this video we're going to learn how to do conditional formatting. Essentially we want to highlight all salaries of employees which are less than 100,000. So for example, David Williams over here, Jessica over here. Let's go back. I will open up my object, which is a salary object. Go to highlight, add a condition. Let's go and click on salary less than 100,000. Click on OK. Click on OK. Save it, and if you preview it, you can see the salary is less than, all the salaries are highlighted. Now you could do this for other variables. For example, highlight all names where the salary is less than 100,000. Similarly, just open up the object you want to highlight. Click on add. Salary is less than 100,000. Click on OK. We can change this to okay. Let's say I want to change the font. Click on save, and you will see over here David Williams name is also highlighted. So this allows you to bring attention to whatever you want to in your report. Hope you find this useful.